Okay, question 9. As you can see, lots and lots of information. What I hope you haven't done is switch off from it. When you see this, you think, oh, I'm not doing this. Actually, it's not really that difficult. This question isn't. It's straightforward in stages. You just got to make sure that you dissect it properly and take from it the information that you need one step at a time. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all that. I'm just going to read the question first, and then we'll address what information we actually need. Okay, so here it says, how much did Dragon's car care spend on car cleaning products in June 2009? Okay, so we're interested in car cleaning products. Okay, let's have a look here. Obviously, car cleaning products are here at the top. Okay, and we've got car wash liquid, window spray, wax, cloths and sponges, and then we've got the price for each of them. Okay. We don't know the quantity here. We don't know what they bought of each until you go down here. It does say then during June they used the following products. Okay. So we've got 12 bottles of car wash liquid. Okay. Now, straight away, I can start working out the cost, can't I, from here. Let's just focus on the car wash liquid first. Okay, because these are all cleaning products. So the car wash liquid, now 12 bottles. Okay, if we have a look how much a bottle cost of car wash liquid, there you go, it's £1 there per 5 litre bottle. So we're told they buy 12 of these, so it's £12. Yeah, that's all you've got to do. It's just £1, isn't it? It's 12 of them. Okay. So £12. Simple as that. Let's go into the window spray next. Okay, so the window spray, what's that? 8 bottles. 8 bottles of window spray. Eight bottles, and they are priced at, let's go have a look at the top here, £2 per 2 litre bottle. So that's not bad, isn't it? 8 bottles, each £2, so that's £16. Okay. Then next we've got, what have we got? The wax, and it says 6 drums. Okay. So these are all cleaning products, of course. So let's go to the wax to see what it says. £2.50 for a 2 litre drum. Well, they say we've got 6 drums, so that would be the wax, 6 lots of £2.50. Okay. Now, 6, I mean, if you times that by 2, you get £5. Times it by 4, you get £10. By 6, you get £15. Okay, and then cloths and sponges. What have we got here? 100 cloths, 100 sponges. And let's see how much they cost. 10 pence each. Look, 10 pence each. So they've got 100 of each, haven't they? 100 cloths, 100 sponges. 10 pence each, so that means there's 200, isn't there? 200 cloths and sponges. You know, 100 cloths, 100 sponges, that's 200 of them in total, if you put them together. Times 10 pence. Okay, that's going to be 2,000 pence. Yeah. And of course, that's £20, isn't it, when you divide by 100. And that's it. That's all our cleaning products. That's 3 marks. Okay, you know, it's not that difficult, isn't it, when you break it down. Now, of course, you do have to add these because they want the total cost. Okay, so add them. 12 plus 16 is 28, plus 15 is 43, plus 20 is 63. Okay, you know, I did that in my head, but you know, there's no harm, right? In the exam, line them up. Okay, and you can work it out. That adds up to 13, doesn't it? So 3 carry 1. And then that adds up to £63. Excellent. Okay, part B, it says calculate the total cost of the water and electricity used by Dragon Care. So let's have a look now at water and electricity. We've got water. We've got down here, look, the readings for water and electricity. Let's do the water first. 3,450, 3,950. These are meter readings, aren't they? Meter reading. So I suppose with a meter reading we can actually work out how many units we used. Okay, so for water, units used equal, okay, the largest, take away the smallest. So 39, is it? 3950. Take away 3450. Now you work that out, it actually comes out quite nice at 500. Okay, 500 units when you take the 2 away there. Okay, so now 500 units, we obviously now need to know the cost of water. If we go up to the top here, it says here it's £2 per metre cubed. Okay, so that's how many units basically, £2 per unit plus a standing charge of £4 per month. Now let's think, this is just based over June, isn't it? This is just based for June, so it's just going to be £4 for that month and £2 per unit. So the cost would be the number of units, which is 500, times then £2, okay, plus then the standing charge, which is £4. So if we work that out, that's what is that? That's £1,000 plus 4 is £1,004. Okay. Let's do the electricity next. Units used. Now there you've got 3,800, 3,000. Okay, so you know, take them away. Oh, 3,800. Take away 3,000 is 800, isn't it? 800 units. Okay, just going off the screen there. There you go, 800 units. Now let's look at the cost for the electricity. So there's a little bit more work involved here, isn't there? It says 25 pence per kilowatt hours, and then you've got all of this here. Let's just do this to start with then. 25 pence per kilowatt hours. You've got 800 units used, so you've got 800 times 25 pence. Okay. Now there's lots of ways you can do this. Okay. You could do 8 times 25 is 200, and then add on the 2 zeros. Okay, you could do it that way. Yeah, 8 times 25 is 200, and then there's 2 zeros. So that's 200. That's 20,000, but that's pence, of course. Change that to pounds. Divide by 100, so you get £200. Okay, so that's the cost there. Okay, £200 for the units that have been used. But of course, there's a little bit more. There's a standing charge which we need to add on, so £10, and then there's a 5% VAT charge to add on as well. Okay, so the total charge before VAT is £200 plus the £10 standing charge, that's 210. Next, now we work out the VAT. Okay, so the VAT is 5%, but of course what's good about that is 10% we can work out, can't we? 10%. Just divide that by 10, so that's £21, so 5% then is half of that. Half of that is £10.50. Okay, so the VAT equals £10.50. Total electricity cost will equal £210 plus £10.50, which equals £220.50. Okay, now please check that you read the question carefully here, right? Because let's see what they actually wanted. Calculate the total cost of the water and electricity used by Dragon Car Care. Now, I looking at that, they want the total cost of both of them. So we need to put them together at the end. Okay, so the total cost equals the 1,004 you had for the water and the £220.50 for the electricity. So that comes to £1,224.50. Okay. Last part then, see the operating costs for Dragon Car Care is the sum of the water costs, the electricity costs, and the costs of the products used. Calculate the operating costs for Dragon Car Care for June 2014. So all we've got to do to finish off is we use this total here, £1,224.50 £5.50. Okay, plus then if you go back the product costs, that was the £63, wasn't it? Add them together, so you get 05781 when you put them together. Okay, so that's the total cost. And we've completed the question.